There is still much we don't know about idiots on the road and their incomprehensive rituals. Today we glimpse into their world for the first time. As we try to make sense of it, we may learn more about this endangered species. Here we see the male trying to block the female, possibly some sort of power play to assert his dominance. The female clearly has no interest as she gracefully avoids the male. Unable to accept defeat, the male goes all in for another attempt. But it all goes downhill from here. Perhaps blinded by hormones, he hits an innocent bystander and flips himself over. Helpless like a turtle on its back, he finally accepts defeat. I don't know who you are, but I will find you and make you press that subscribe button.